My name is Elliott Barbosa. I have a 1924 Cadillac Roadster. I'm from Beardsley, Minnesota. Well, actually, my father found it. It was in a garage in Redondo Beach, California. He bought the Cadillac and two other cars at one time. Him and a buddy actually got together and they purchased them. My dad fell in love with the Cadillac. I was away in the military, and so when I'd go home and visit and everything else, we would work on the Cadillac and get it back into the order it is now. It took 18 years from when we started to what it is now. This was an off-frame restoration. When we found it in Redondo Beach, California, it was a mess. I mean, wood rotted and everything. So it was taken completely apart, and it was all redone by my father and myself, just homegrown backyard mechanics of tinkering 15 minutes here, half hour there, spend a day here, and save money for 6 months to buy a part you needed. I classify it as a very rare vintage vehicle. I researched for pretty near 20 years trying to find another 1924 Cadillac, and I've only found one other around anywhere in the United States or abroad. Believe it or not, 314 cubic inch engine, V8, aluminum block, flathead, but it only carries 31 horsepower, which really surprises everybody, but it's got torque that'll pull you from wherever you need to go. The unique thing about this vehicle is right here in the front. If you want to come up, I'll point at it. This right here is a little air compressor, puts 2.5 pounds of air pressure into your fuel tank, pushing your fuel forward. It's again a Roadster, which means it has a rumble seat. The top does fold down or removable completely if you'd like. But usually when they took them off back in the 20s, early 30s, they actually removed the whole thing, because the rumble seat, which the Roadsters are known for, was also nicknamed the mother-in-law seat. So you had the husband driving, the wife in the passenger side, and the mother-in-law in the back seat. So they usually took the top off so mother-in-law could talk and feel like she was part of the family. One question I get from people is about all the pedals and buttons and everything on the floorboard. So of course, it's like any vehicle. You got clutch over here, got your brake. This one here is your gas pedal. This is just a footrest. This one up here, that's the starter button. Then of course your handbrake and your gear shift lever. This one says fuel, but it's not how much fuel you have. This is how much fuel pressure we have. Remember we talked about the little air pump that puts 2 pounds of air in the fuel tank, and then it's regulated down to 1.5 to 2 pounds to your carburetor. Then we have our speedometer, which is a dial speedometer, rotates in a circle, not like most. And then of course your odometer and tripometer. As you know, Cadillac's considered the rich man's car, so when you're coming off your golf course, open your caddy door, put your golf clubs in the trunk, then close it right up. I had it on a California freeway doing 55. So country roads out here, it's not bad. I usually just try to stick around 40 with it, depending on where I'm at. I'm in no hurry when I'm driving it. I don't get out to a lot of car shows. I just try to make local ones. It's a rare vehicle that you probably won't see anywhere else. And if you do, please let me know. Like I say, I only know of two, and here's one.
Water pumps on each side.
But the reason this has two water pumps is this water pump only serves. And over the last 5 years now, I've been taking it to a car show here and there, and it's trying to get people interested in car culture and back into vintage vehicles. That's what it was built for, was to let other people enjoy a hands-on experience.